वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ तीन रोज़ा दौरा अज़रबैजान मुकम्मल करने के बाद ताजिकिस्तान के दारुल हुकूमत दुशंबा के लिए रवाना हो गए। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म दुशंबा में ग्लेशियर्स की हिफाजत पर होने वाली बैनुल-अक़वामी कॉन्फ्रेंस में शिरकत करेंगे। ताजिकिस्तान रवानगी से कबल गुफ्तगू में वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने दौरा अज़रबैजान को यादगार करार दिया।
28 May as a very important event when Pakistan became a nuclear state on 28th May 1998, and Azerbaijan is a very brotherly country, a great country, and under the dynamic leadership of President Ilham Aliyev, Azerbaijan has been completely transformed, and we have discussed joint cooperation in the field of trade, commerce, investments. And as you know, yesterday President Ilham Aliyev again reiterated his commitment to invest $2 billion in Pakistan, and we are ready for this investment for mutual benefits, inshallah. And then we are going to have more coordination in commerce, in defense cooperation, and education, health, and many other areas. Thank you very much.